In this life, many are called, but there are those who have been chosen. It appears I'm one of the chosen ones. I go by the name Tangza, normally known as Thabang Mosane, a music artist straight coming from Tembisa, 1632, and later on we moved to Ivory Park, 1685, and that's where I grew up. Yeah, empilweni kuningi esikwenzile sike sahlangabezana nakho. Engagile nabantu ababhaya from idiski, saba ama motorcycle, ay sizenzile into ezibhaya. Sahlangabezana nama rapper ke later on. And then kula vele ngabelieve khona ukuthi enhlek into yami lena.
My King Messiah, Nkulunkulu wami, the king of my leaders, you the only one. Ngafunda ku ole that ikutantwana uvala mehlo in the dark and see the brighter side.
And rap, it's a man approach. The life yam was around hip hop kahle kahle. Ne skill sa develop from then. Sihlangabezana namachita wami. Abo Zek, Slick, R.I.P. Rega Dope, George, Told Me. Yeah, then we formed the clique. From then on, we're here.
Manje karabonja yami, you have rest in peace. Ngelinye ilanga sohlangana even though kunemiss. Angeke ngikhohle zonke izinto ke wangenzela zona. Ilist igcwele angeke ngibale marantona ngiyabonga. I quit ama drugs, I only wish for khona. Ironical, I'm still an edit mangabheka ngiyaroka.
Inspiration was the most vital thing. Looking from Ikwaito, lebesilalela siseyintwana. Abo Mzolisto, abo Amu, abo Mashamplane, Chiskopu. So, yeah, build up a riding lena. We were singing along to those songs. Then yeah, Sapala, Sakalukpala, Speta abo Brazo, Zek, Speta Machita Onke, abo Karabzini, Genetic, abo Shama Saifara, Srai Magabhlungabi. So to all the kids in the hood, aba ektayo, aba culayo, aba dancer, don't wait for a moment. You should just go for the moment. Being back in studio feels like a purpose restored. This is where I get to turn everything I've been through into something meaningful.
In this lifetime, you gone, my life and sing no more. Otherwise, you fade away.
I am Thabang Mosane, better known as Tangza, and this is my story.
Sweethearty, no, yazi benyikuthanda since from high school. Manje senyikubhalela ingoma, ngiyazi uzoyithanda, it's dedicated to you. Ngingazi ukuthi uzofila same just like I do. And vele ngitheme ngikubona, ngavele ngagcwala, so this song is for you.
For you. TH, okay, Ozile, my baby. Ngiyazi ngahamba, sithandwa sama, can't believe it, yazini. Buku isikhathi mina ngifuna uhlala grand sane plaza mina nawe bisi close njenge win ne lose. I came to choose either you or cruise. Nga choose the studio, I was never there for you, exactly boo. And angiblame muntu kimi nawe akekho wrong, bese right ebusuku masihlangana siloku senze fun. Yazi kube mnandi, masibambana ngathi sunlam ya advertiser mangekubeka umuhle blind. Yazi ukuthi why nama ngazi bari inhliziyo inama answer. Uyangivula so you see through. Ngathi ngiyakuthanda wathi me too. Ukuzibamba ngiyazama ngazibala ngishaya inamba. Just for you, no.
Sweethearty, no, yazi benyikuthanda since from high school. Manje senyikubhalela ingoma, ngiyazi uzoyithanda, it's dedicated to you. Ngingazi ukuthi uzofila same just like I do. And vele ngitheme ngikubona, ngavele ngagcwala, so this song is for you.
For you. Ukuhamba kwakamama zala ngenza ngaba helpless.